All right, today we're going to create an op art spider web. I'll show you the end result. Get you all excited. It's an op art spider web that kind of sucks you into the middle of this spider web. So, what you have to do first is take your paper and fold it in half. This helps us make some straight lines, right? So I'm folding it just like that. And I'll bring my camera down so you guys can see me folding all this stuff. So I folded it, and I'm folding it one more time. Then I open it up. Then I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to trace my fold lines. That helps us get some straight lines too. Then I'm going to do my diagonal, going from the center to the corner. Here I go. To the corner. To the corner. So that is the start of my spider web. Then I just go about 2 fingers from the center and I go dip down, come up, dip down, come up, dip down, come up. I'll make it bigger though. So I'm just dipping around to make the center of the spider web. If you make a mistake like me, just erase it. Hopefully maybe it'll be the one I color. Then I scoot out about 2 more fingers. I do another ring. Go down and come up, go down and come up. And I just keep repeating the same thing for about 1 more time when I'm done with this ring, that is. So now I've got 2 rings to my web. My goal is to get 3, so I'm going up to the very top and I'm going to dip down. I'm going to dip down the other side. I'm dipping across and up. And down and up. Too much stuff up here. Over and up. And then the last one. Now, the next step is to identify the ones I need to color. We're doing a pattern here, so you can choose any color you want. But you're doing every other one. So I can start up on this edge right here. So I might color this one, skip that one, color this one, skip that one, color this one, skip that one, color this one. Okay? Then I go to the next one down, skip and color, skip and color, skip and color. Right now I'm just making an X, but I will go back and color these in. This kind of tells me what I need to do. Then I'm starting the third one, and I go color, no color, color, skip, color, skip, color, skip, color. Then I go again. Don't color that one, so I have to go to the next one over. Color, no color, color, no color. It's A, B, A, B around the whole thing if you haven't figured that out yet. But there I go. And then I'll just start coloring in the spider web. And watch me, I'm tracing the pencil line first, and then I color in to the middle. I'm using the side of the marker too. It gives me wider lines. So I'll do this one. Trace, trace, trace. And then just color it in with your fat side of the marker. It's a little less stressful than it is to color it with the point, the whole thing. That's why I'm coloring it with this broad side, okay? But I'm going to do this until my spider web looks like this, whatever color I want, okay? So I'm still going around and I'm tracing and I'm coloring. I'm doing this quick so you guys get the hang of this. I know this coloring thing's not very fun to watch. Now, when your whole web is complete, you will want to get your pencil out. And I'll try to do this middle part right here so I can show you what this will look like when you're done coloring the whole web. Do make sure you color the whole web before you do this next step, though. Otherwise it won't look nearly as cool. Okay? Now, I'm going to get like at least half of it done so I can show you guys. Okay, about there. Not quite half, but enough to be able to show you what to do when you're done coloring. So when you're done coloring, you're going to start with your pencil on the inside. Start with the white areas first. You're going to color it medium hard, so you have a pretty good thing. It's going from the circle outward. So from the very center, out. From the very center, out. And I'm doing the white spaces first, because you'll see the shadows in the white spaces. Okay, that's what we're trying to accomplish here, is making a shadow. So, I'm coloring the shadows. Then I'm going to take a paper towel, a Kleenex, a napkin, whatever you've got, toilet paper even, strap it around your finger, make a finger ghost, and push the shadow up to where the marker is. Okay, push it away, and then go to the next white one, give it a little bit of color. Again, you're pushing out from the middle, so you're still going away. And then I will rub it too towards the outside of the paper. And this is how I was able to create this effect. Okay, it's all because of the shadow. And I know I used crayon right here, that was my mistake, but you guys can still see the effect. So, you're going to color the whole web, then you're going to use your pencil to make the shadows, which makes it look a little bit cooler. And this will be your op art spider web. Okay, have fun, put it on Seesaw. I can't wait to see what you've done.